Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Kom and thank you so much for tuning in. So for today's video, I have a very interesting collection, and the best thing is it is very affordable and the quality is top notch. According to the price, I think it's perfect. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. But before moving forward, I want to tell you all कि I will be linking everything in my description box and you guys can go and check it out. और ना Amazon में बहुत जल्दी out of stock हो जाता है, तो अगर आपके size में available है and you like the product, then you can just go and grab it क्योंकि Amazon में easy return भी हो जाता है. So yeah, now let's get started. So I'm going to start with the one that I'm already wearing and it's a very pretty सा top. I'm sure आपको ऐसा लग रहा होगा कि ये तो मैंने कहीं देखा है, like देखा देखी सा लग रहा है. That's because I have the same one in grey color and I was so obsessed. मैंने इतना तारीफ किया था वो grey color के top के. That's the reason I got another one, and I got this in brown color क्योंकि I needed a top to film for a brand and they wanted in color brown. मेरे को ना ऐसा हो रहा था कि I need something जो आएगा अच्छा ही क्योंकि it was a very last minute shopping, so I had to get this one क्योंकि I have the same one in grey color. मैंने ये grey top का इतना तारीफ किया था, if you guys remember, it's a very nice one. और मैंने ये भी कहा था कि अगर summer में there's one material I can wear, I will be wearing only this material. I don't even know कि ये क्या material है, but trust me guys, it's so good, like it's so soft. And the best thing is एक तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा lightweight है, बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable है, and you can wear it like this है ना, but you can also wear it like this. Look at this, it looks so nice, like इतना breathable सा लग रहा है. It looks very comfortable. There are so many more colors available, so you guys can go and check it out. It's an amazing material. Moving on to my next one, I have a jeans guys, and this is something I have been obsessed with. I've been talking about this jeans a lot. I have recommended this to almost everyone. मैंने ये अपना Instagram में भी इतने बारी डाला है क्योंकि I've been wearing this a lot. Like I think I have been wearing this almost every day. जब भी मेरे को बाहर जाना होता है, कुछ comfortable सा पहनना है, then I wear this क्योंकि it is that comfortable. इतने गर्मी में भी I can wear this. So yeah, this is the jeans guys. I am obsessed with this one. If you're looking for a jeans in a good quality and you want it to be affordable, because this is only for 500 rupees, and guess what guys, I was wearing this while traveling. तो सोचो कि traveling के time में पहना, that means it's really comfortable, right? क्योंकि ना I'm that person जो एक joggers या ऐसी track suit वगैरह पहन के चले जाते हैं airport में, because I want my outfit to be very comfortable. I can literally wear a pajama and go. So this is that kind of kapra guys. It's so comfortable. So you guys can trust me and just go and grab it if you're looking for a jeans क्योंकि it's amazing, and I have recommended this to almost everyone, right? So ये देखिए guys, my friend also like texted me back when she received this jeans and it's amazing. You guys can go and check it out. I will link it in my description box, and I'm wearing size M. In the middle of all the clothes, I am going to squeeze in this bag क्योंकि I received this recently and I was like, what? The quality is so good and the price is so amazing. अभी तक मैं मिराजो से बैग ऑर्डर करी थी because I wanted like थोड़ा प्रीमियम वाला क्वालिटी में. But guess what guys, this is from the brand I think Lino Peros, something like that. Yeah, it's from this brand named as Lino Peros, and I was like, how come मैंने कभी realize ही नहीं किया कि this is a very old brand. Let me show you all. यहाँ पूरा अंदर में ना brand का नाम लिखा है and the quality is so good. Packaging was also really amazing. It's really nice guys. और मैंने सोचा था कि ये थोड़ा सा छोटा आएगा, but no guys, it's huge and I can fit a lot of stuff here. This is like so classy and I am definitely keeping it. You guys are going to see me carrying this a lot because I really like it guys, and I love shoulder bag, so this is like a perfect size for me. You'll see me carrying this a lot. I don't know whether I've mentioned this or not, but I have really been liking Tokyo Talkies because their quality is so good and their price, oh my god, it's so affordable, like 349, 350 SMA. You'll get a shirt also, which again I've been wearing a lot, but I'm not showing you all here क्योंकि वो I don't think stock में है, but मेरे Instagram highlight में होगा, so you guys can go and check it out. I've also ordered a skirt recently क्योंकि मैंने जैसे ये skirt देखा, I felt like, oh, I don't have grey color में skirt, and this one looks so formal and casual at the same time, and I wanted to get a skirt. It's not that short also, but it's not long also, which is perfect. I'll wear it, you guys can see it, like you guys can see me doing the try on, right? So आप लोग decide कर लेना whether you want to get it or not. And I don't know कि इसका zip कितना चलेगा. फिलहाल तो अच्छा चल रहा है, but मेरे को नहीं पता कि कैसे चलेगा. I'm just assuming but the zip also looks nice only. ऐसा भी नहीं है कि ये बहुत पतला मटेरियल में है, like you have अंदर में this कपड़ा also and then बाहर में you have another कपड़ा. And yeah, this is a skirt guys, like shorts but also skirt, so you don't have to wear tights also. If you don't want to wear it, you can just skip it also, so that's a good thing. And if I'm getting this in 350, I am definitely getting it because price के हिसाब से I think this is too good. Moving on to my next one, I have another brown top and it looks like this. मैंने ये पहना था मेरा पहला वाला Amazon video में, and this is how it looks. You guys can see me doing the try on. I like the fitting of this, but ये ना मेरे को थोड़ा सा ऐसा loose होता है. अगर आप closely देखो ना तो this has a texture guys. And yeah, this is how it looks. I like it. You guys can see me doing the try on and you guys can decide it whether you want to get it or not. Obviously tank tops आपको ना और भी affordable price में मिल जाएंगे, but this one I don't know, मतलब it has this good coverage also, or I can wear this and go out. ऐसा type का top है, so it's like tank top but going out वाला top type of. I hope you guys are getting it. And then moving on to another brown top, and again it's from the same brand. It has the same material but इसका ना detailing पूरा different है. Okay, I'm gonna show you all. So it looks like this, right? ये ना थोड़ा ऐसा high neck वाला है, and then इसमें you have this थोड़ा सा detailing. And basically you know like कपड़ा पूरा सेम है but सिर्फ डिटेलिंग अलग है. So you guys can see me doing the try on, क्योंकि अगर मैं आपको ऐसा दिखाऊंगी ना तो आप लोगों को समझ में नहीं आएगा. I like the material and overall detailing. इसमें और भी कलर्स अवेलेबल था but I got it in brown color because as I mentioned कि I was looking for some brown colored tops. Okay, so moving on to my next one, and again it's a top but this one is a kurti top. I received it like this without any iron, but the quality is so good that I kept it. मैंने ना और एक भी ऑर्डर किया था क्योंकि मैं सोच रही थी कि इस बार I'll make like ऐसा शॉर्ट कुर्ती हॉल ऐसा, बट इतना अफोर्डेबल में मेरे को कुछ अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था, और जो मेरे को अच्छा लगा वो मैंने ऑर्डर किया तो थोड़ा डिफेक्ट आया था. It was from Libas, so I had to return it. This is the only short kurti I have right now and the quality is so good. It has this very breathable wala fabric and also like the detailing is so good. And look at this guys, like it's simple yet elegant and I like it. It has this very pretty यहाँ ऐसा lace wala detailing, right? And it's so amazing. The size is perfect and also the hand detailing, everything is just so good. It's like on point, simple yet so elegant. If you're not into kurtis and short kurtis but you want something जो आपको थोड़ा सा traditional वाला vibe दे, then you guys can go and check out this one क्योंकि बहुत ही normal color में है कि you guys can repeat it again and again and no one will ever notice. Now moving on to my last one from this video. It's a dress. It's a very pretty, it's a long dress, but I have a hate-love wala relation with size. It's from the brand Toki Tokis. I have been loving Toki Tokis lately, and if I was in college then I think मैं यही brand से use करता you know कपड़ा क्योंकि it's affordable and they know what the young people wants. ऐसा type का लगता है मेरे को क्योंकि इतना college going वाला outfit भी है इन लोगों के पास, which is only for 350 ऐसा, so you guys can go and check it out. I'm sure you guys are going to love it. एक तो I really love ऐसा halter neck ना, and I feel like this gives पूरा ऐसा staycation वाला vibe and this transparent वाला thing जो आपको better support दे. But I think I'm gonna remove it क्योंकि मेरे को skin में ऐसा बहुत irritation लगता है, so I'm gonna remove this and then I'm just gonna keep the threads क्योंकि ये तो ऐसे बांधना है, and this one I'll remove it. And the detailing is very pretty guys, and you also have a zip here, और ना zip यहाँ तक खुलेगा जिससे मेरे को ऐसा feel हुआ कि I think I should get it in a smaller size, so that's the reason I got small size. And now it's like just as a fitting which I'm not into because I like थोड़ा सा loose fitting, but medium was like too loose on me, so I don't understand guys. I have love-hate relation with Toki Tokis का sizes, but you guys can you know like look at the details and then get it properly. इसमें ना और एक कलर भी अवेलेबल है which is in pink color, and I think that's again a very good color. और पिंक भी ना अच्छा वाला पिंक है, but I want it in this color only because I love dark colors, and this is how it looks. It's a very pretty, it's a long dress, so you guys can see me doing the try on. It's very cute, and if you're looking for ऐसा summer dresses बाहर जाके पहनने के लिए, बाहर in the sense कि like you want to go on vacations ऐसा, then you guys can go and check out this one. It's amazing, quality is so good, and yeah, price is also amazing. It's only for 560 rupees या 540, which is a good thing for a very pretty long dress. So you guys can think about it, and I'll be linking everything in my description box. You guys can go and check it out, and I'll see you all very soon with my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. अगर आपको ये video अच्छा लगा, then don't forget to comment this emoji, and also let me know what you guys want to watch next. And yeah, I'll see you all very soon with my next video. Bye.